everyone, welcome back to the new content. India is often called the land of rivers, with hundreds of waterways and supporting livelihoods, agriculture, and centuries old cultures. While many rivers are celebrating their length or volume, one stands out for a different reason and its color. During the monsoon, the river transforms into a striking reddish brown, earning in the nickname of India's, which is called as Red River. Do you know which river we are talking about? Yes, it's River Brahmaputra. It is famous for its vast width and mighty flow. The river turns a striking reddish brown during the monsoons as it carries a heavy silt and soil, making it a unique and iconic symbol of Northeast India. Now, let's get into the origin and the course of the Brahmaputra. The Brahmaputra originates near the lake Manasarovar in Tibet, emerging from Chemayandang Glacier, where it is known as Yarlung Sanpo, and it flows eastward across Tibet before making a dramatic bend and entering India through Arunachal Pradesh. It is called as Siang. This river then travels through the fertile plains of Assam as the Brahmaputra before entering Bangladesh as Jamuna. There it merges with the Ganges and eventually empties into the Bay of Bengal. Here is the main important subject for the topic. Why does the Brahmaputra turns red in color? The reddish color of Brahmaputra is mainly due to the iron-rich soil among its banks, particularly in Assam and surroundings regions. What happens in monsoons? Intense rainfall washes large amounts of soil into the river, giving the water into the distinctive reddish brown appearance. Now, this is a natural phenomenon, is why Brahmaputra is popularly known as India's Red River. Would you like to know interesting facts about Brahmaputra? The Brahmaputra is one of the few rivers in India with a masculine name. The word means son of Brahma. It is also known by different names across the regions. Yarlung Sanpo in Tibet, Siang in Arunachal Pradesh, Brahmaputra in Assam, and Jamuna in Bangladesh. However, Majuli, located within the river, is considered the world's largest river island and is renowned for its Vaishnavite culture and scenic beauty. Now, in parts of Assam, you all might be wondering how wide the river would be. Yes, now the wideness of the river would be as 20 kilometers, making the opposite bank difficult to see. It is said that the world's highest water carrying rivers and is prone to severe flooding each year. However, the Brahmaputra originates at the altitude of over 5,000 meters in the Himalaya, placing it among the highest rivers on the earth. Here, in Tibet, it flows through the Yarlung Sanpo Grand Canyon, which is deeper and longer than the Grand Canyon in the United States. Now, what happens near the famous temple in Assam? Let me tell you. Near the Kamakhya temple in Assam, the river is believed to turn red every June during the Ambubachi festival, a phenomenon linked to the religious faith. The Brahmaputra is home to the endangered Ganges River dolphin and supports rich biodiversity across its course. Thank you all. See you in the next video.